This mine kau tak?
Yep.
Sikit kau. Ini sekali ngap habis. Dah. Potong. Nak beli apa lagi?
How was it?
Good.
Kita dah
I'm having it only because memang boleh habis ini. Habis.
Kita dah sini bukan nak makan banyak, alas perut. Kita nak makan dessert.
So the puntani whatever soup it is really good. If you like Thai beef noodle, you will love this. I'm gonna finish up the soup, and so I'm gonna try on the creamy tom yum. I got the rice noodle, and Casey got the springy noodles, which is basically instant noodles lah. So is it good?
Yep.
Is it good?
But please ambil if you are big eater, don't order one bowl because I had my breakfast just now. So nak try je.
Let's try mine lah. It's fine. Seafood. Kau habis dah.
Try je Pad Thai.
Okay. So the Pad Thai has arrived, and the Pad Thai is very different from what I expected it to be actually. So it's got my favorite bean sprouts, which is like totally raw. I like it. And the bean sprout is like macam, how did I say it? It's pretty creamy, and it's very different from what I expected. It looks pretty soggy. Let's just try it. But it's very sweet though. I feel it's a bit. Okay, so I just realized that I didn't really say how I felt about the food there. The little bowls of noodle were 150 each. Okay, but what I got the serving just now was literally just like one scoop and just one bite for 150. I felt it was not so worth it compared to the bigger bowls. So if I were you and you're hungry, just get the bigger bowls, okay? And the Pad Thai I had was a bit too sweet for my liking. I think someone else might like it. The noodles were soft. It was very the flavor was good, but it was a bit too sweet for my liking. You might like it, but I have like my favorite Pad Thais from other places. So that's it. My review over at the boat noodle shop over at Bugis.